welcome back, traders. John Caruso here, RJO Futures. And of course, today is FOMC Wednesday. We're going to hear from Jerome Powell at 1 o'clock Central Time, 2 o'clock Eastern later on today. And of course, we're going to follow that up with the 1:30 presser. Okay. 3 things that you need to know going into this number. Number one, they're going to be hawkish. Okay. They've prepared the market up until this point that they are going to be hawkish. Everything that they've accomplished, everything that the market is priced in up until this point, the Fed considers progress. There's no way they're going to impede on that progress here today, okay? So no bailouts, no olive branches. We don't expect that for equity investors here today. How the equity markets respond to the Fed following the announcement, that's going to be, completely up in the air. But the Fed is going to sound hawkish today. They are going to sound like inflation fighters, okay? Number 2, 50 basis points. It's coming. We know it's coming. 50, 50, 50 is what's expected at the next 3 meetings. Now, where the Fed could get even a little more hawkish today is if they lead us on to believe that we're going to see 75 basis points at one of the next 3 meetings, okay? It's not going to come tomorrow, but it could come in July, it could come in August, okay? So if they start leaning towards 75 basis points, you could see a quick reaction to the downside in equities on that announcement here, okay? Number 3, the balance sheet runoff, okay? This is where they can kind of play around with incrementally dovish, incrementally more hawkish. I've heard anywhere between 60 billion to 90 billion in mortgage-backed securities and treasuries that they're going to run off the balance sheet here going into tomorrow. So that's where, where do we fall along that spectrum? Are we closer to 60? Are we closer to 90? That's going to be viewed as a little more incrementally dovish versus hawkish. That's where, there's some ambiguity as to what we're going to hear from Jerome Powell here tomorrow. So we're going to keep our ear to the ground for the balance sheet, ear to the ground for the 75 basis points potentially. And of course, after the announcement, we're going to be sending a letter out to all of our clients with market reactions, strategy, how we're looking at playing that number tomorrow. So if you want to reach out to me, hop on that list, jcaruso at rjofutures.com. I'd be more than happy to add you that for a trial. Best of luck to you out there. We'll catch you back here next time.